fucking mind, watch I run. These words here, have no fear. This white boy's here, have the message here clear. Crystal, pull out the pistol. Hope you're running, bitch, I ain't trying to miss you. Yeah, no tissue, but you know I'm the shit. Needles come with my shit, cause it's fucking crack. Bag it up, pass it out. I ain't passing out, even though I'm so fucked up. Man, we lagging out. No, never, cause the connection stay strong. Hitting on the bone, and my money stay long. Bitches come around me and the pussy smell strong. So I'm looking for a girl, can we get along? Me and you tonight, and I'm fucking really fresh, but the pussy really right, so I'm trying to get it in like, who the fuck even touching us? Ain't no bitches here rushing us, busting us. Nuts on their face, if they really wanna take it to the face, I'ma let you know I sting like the mace. No, I don't taste, only feeling salty. And I don't know if you wanna with me, hold these nuts right here till you bag a hoe. No Lil Wayne, motherfucker, gotta go. On a mission, gotta get a milli. I'm acting silly, I roll a little kush up in the Philly. Still getting willy, still hitting willies. And I ain't talking about no crotch rocket, but I got the rocket in my crotch if you wanna hit the spot. Yeah, we might do a thing, and that's all. I got my back against the wall, screaming fuck the law, middle finger high. That's all.